Kita ulam.
Ulan.
Siyempre.
Ay, kaya nga naburan. Sabi niya kayo naburan.
Kita may ulit. Kita may ulam ulit to.
Bakit dyan? Ba't yan ah? Hindi po.
Mang, napakain ka.
Si Tito Iting.
Tao may ulam. Bang! Ulam!
Kalam.
Ay, lang sa pagkakas.
Hey!
Hey! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Pinahalos ang dad.
Ito na dada. Ay, ito na. Uy, ay, Gab! Gab! Gab ako! Pero nga.
Hey! Hey!
Paliwayan mo lang. Kaya nakalive ako.
Bakit ka dada?
Kaya ko man ano yan.
Dada nano!
Pag naman si dada, makita ka na. Ay, nako! Ano ba yan? Sino ka susunod? Ikaw, si Dada. Good evening. Good evening sa Chino. Yan. Salamat. Bebe
Order ako sa Pinakato ka nga. Baugan niya lang kang happy. Baugan? Gusto. Yan ang gusto mo. Dada, oo.
Good evening sa...
Dada mo. O Sofia. Sofia. Ano mo dada mo? Dili mo yung dada mo.
Bebe
Mali ka nga.
Bangon. Paliwayan yung gabi na kawain.
Berengang! Yo. Ako na yun Sabi naman yung pinakal niya.
Ha?
Mustafa.
Mustafa Kemal Demir Jojen. Ablan Nabiyon Abla. What it means?
Ato.
I don't understand. Where are you from? From Turkey? Mustafa Kemal. You are from Turkey? Or Turkish? Your language or...
Love.
Gabriel. Where are you from?
Ako na
I'm from Turkey, yeah. I'm from Turkey.
Si Dada.
How are you?
Kung gusto mo,
Mustafa
ikasi
Kemal.
si Dada mo. Si Dada.
I'm from
Gusto ko ang friends mo. Si Dada. Si Dada. Kung gusto mo, porta si Dada mo. Si Dada.
Filipino. Filipino. I'm very good. Good job. You're very good.
Dada.
Good job.
Yakol ko si dada mo. Dada.
Sana all very good.
Mangga ko si dada mo. Dada. Dada. Dada.
Gabriel, ikaw nangingisog na. Ulit-ulit, ano ka pa? From Philippines, Mustafa Kemal. Ano ba?
Bye.
Filipina. Try again. From Philippines. I'm from Philippines. I'm a Filipina. Try again. Try again. Try again. Don't give up on your love. Wow, Philippines. Filipina. Yes, I'm Filipina. How old are you, Mustafa? How old are you? Akala ko ikaw ay akin. Ito sa aking my 17 years old. You are 40. 40 years old. Very young. I'm 40 years old. Yes, I'm 40. Thank you for the thumbs up. Donnie Porter, absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Donnie Porter. Thank you so much. I am 40 years old. Thank you, Donnie Porter. Where are you from, Donnie? Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you sa 3 thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Salamat. Thank you, guys. Kansas, USA. Okay. Shout out to the Kansas, USA. Thank you. Thank you so much. Mustafa Kemal. What's weather like in the Philippines? Weather now here in the Philippines. Summer feels here. Summer here in the Philippines. Summer. Thank you for the 4 thumbs up. Thank you guys for the thumbs up. Married? I'm not married. No, married. I'm not married. I wish I'm getting married, Gerard. But no one to marry me. Sana all. Pwede ba dito ka lang? What? Huh? What means? There have been a lot of earthquakes here today. Yes. Bulusan. Vulcan Bulusan. Here now. What part of the Philippines you live? Sorsogon. Bicol Province. Bicol Province of the Philippines. Sorsogon. Ano? Istanbul da. Okay. Istanbul. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Are you married, Donnie Porter? How old are you? Are you married?
Yeah.
Patindugon mo niya ako, parang bilang ka mo doon. Hi, Bob. It's been a goal of mine to travel to Turkey. So that's great. It's great, Donnie Porter. Hope you visit, Bicol province here in the Philippines. Hi, Bob. Hey, you. Where are you from, Bob? Single, 50 years old, 6'3", 200 pounds. Complete information, no? Done. Single. Single, with age 6'3", 200 pounds. Thank you. Okay. Are you still single? Are you still single? Done. Mustafa Kimao. I think Donnie wants to get married. Oh yes, he needs to get married. At age 40, at age 50, you need to get married, Donnie. I'm an electrician. I own my business and work a lot. You are a busy man. No time for marriage life. No time for marriage life. No time for relationship like that. Busy man. The busy. Sana all my business. Sana all my business American. Manuel. Oy, Bim Bim, mata mio. Isao bello. Ano? What? Manuel, anong sinasabi mo? Mustafa Kemal. Hey, Donnie, this woman is married, dude. Donnie Porter. Soon I will see me retire and will start to travel more. I want to spend 6 months a year in Southeast Asia. That's good, Donnie. I hope you visit him here, ano, in Bicol. You are definitely my type. You are definitely my type. The type, the slim woman. The small woman. You like that? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. X XO XO. Hi XO XLO X10. Thank you X10. Kumusta? How are you X10? What's up? What's new? What are you doing? What's life? Manuel? Hoy ni yung amor. Bendita. Comigo si Alcin Habedo. I don't understand what Spanish language, Manuel. Donnie Porter, yes, slim. I don't want to date a young girl. I want to find a real woman. At least 40. At least 40. Mr. Fatima. Hey, Sister Donnie. Hey, Sister Donnie might be cheating on you. Might be cheating on me. X-Low. X10. Max. Ohagan. Maybe X10 you are a Russian. Maybe I think. Your language. What do you mean? Dominic 20, Alingasa 20. Why lamok, Mads? Why lamok? Why lamok? Mainit eh. Why lamok man? Donnie Porter, I'm 100% real and single. Oh wow, sana all single. What's your job? Mustafa Kimal. What's your job? Mustafa Kimal, who's you asking? Me or it's Donnie? Me or Donnie? What's your job? Me, I work government employee. I mean, ano tawag sa amin? Voluntary. Don't understand. Don't understand. Dominic 20, Alingasa. Hinog ng miracle fruit. Enge. Wala pa, putot pa yan. Putot pa, hindi pa yan. Dugay pa, dugay. Hi Donnie, what's up? Mustafa Kemal. Hi Donnie, what's up? Wala na. Donnie. Have you ever been married? Yeah, I've never been married. Hi Steve. Donnie Porter, hello. Steve, hi. Hello. Where are you from, Steve? How old are you? Hi. Why deleted step? Mustafa Kemal, I'm not married. Of course, you're still 17. Still single. Enjoy your life. I'm Steve. You're from USA. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you all. Dominic 20. Sa balagiti na gibasket. Salamat sa nagbibisita. Sa sumisilip. Silent viewers. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Nanonood. Thank you. Helps me a lot. Bicol. Life here in Bicol. Mustafa Kemal. I'm still a student and learning English. Okay, that's good job. Good job, Mustafa. You're still single. You're still young. Still 17 years old. Enjoy your life. Enjoy teenage life. Donnie Porter, I need to put super chat on your channel. Yeah, hope you, but not yet. Sayang, may super chat sa Hope my channel monetize. Anyone can send super chat. Sana. Sayang talaga. Kuya Ador makes vlog. Hi, Kuya Ador. Mustafa Kamal, thank you. Sayang naman. Wala pang can't, the super chat. Oy, minha inda inda querida, tudo bem com você? Você Costa, hi Jose Costa, meu amor. Thank you for the thumbs up. I would love to buy you a dinner. You can buy me for a dinner. You can send through Gcash. Online. Possible online. Buy online. I would like to buy. Thank you, Donnie Porter. Team on Bondera. Jose Costa, what it means? Bossy niyaw. Gusto di mio amor. I understand the gusto. Di mio amor. The amor is, yeah, I understand. But just a little long. Can you translate it before you translate it in English or Tagalog? Please, Jose. Can you translate it in Tagalog? Abdullah Daud. Patingin ng ano yan? Hindi ka allowed dito. Oh my God. Hindi yan hindi siya pwede. Sorry. Amin Halinda Taxiao. Hi. I understand. Yeah, yan, lalala. Mayang gabi, yan. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Mustafa, may pusa. Takat. Hi. Takat. Say hi. Hi. Meow. Say hi, meow. Hello. The cat. Hello, pusa. So cute. Hello, Mustafa. Wait lang. I'm sorry, you should put a link on your description. I will send you a gift. Oh, really? What? Through Gcash? Donnie Porter, what? Through Gcash or what? Thank you, Donnie Porter. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure. Thank you for Donnie Porter. Hello, Mustafa. See you. Is Bicol expensive? Not, 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 not so much expensive, but quality living here. Expensive living, a little bit. But if you have a lot of money, you don't feel the expensive cost of living. Nasa kilin do soreso. What it means, Jose? I don't know what Gcash is. Gcash, ano? Okay, maybe you don't have Gcash. Maybe mm, what the online transaction? Online transaction. Maybe you can send me through online. Send the gift. Uh, what through online? Send the gift. Fako pratikam kita. I don't understand. Jose, can you, English? I like your video. Thank you, Yan. La la la. You are stunningly beautiful. Thank you. Steve, how much per month is needed to live in Bicol? Maybe you need to live in Bicol, here in Bicol. You need if you have already have no, maybe 15K, or yes, or 10K if you live alone. If you live alone, uh, 5K monthly, 5K, 5K pesos. The foods, only foods, in 1 month. If you are alone, live alone. But if you with your family, 5K, 5K pesos is not enough. Not enough. You figure it out and I will surprise you. Thank you, Donnie Porter. Donnie fell in love. Fell in love. Oh, fell in love at ano? Thank you, Donnie. Thank you, Mustafa Kemal. Fell in love. Ay, nawala yung pusa. 5K a month is enough if you live alone. You already have, just only the food. If you only have a house, 88, no, $100 a month. $100 monthly. So you have kids. You have kids? Kids or kiss? $100 a month. If you live alone here in you already have a house. Yes, I have one kid, son. What is your local food? Bicol Express. Adobo, sinigang, pork adobo, pork sinigang, fried chicken, spaghetti, like that, pancet, ano pa, Bicol Express. I thank you for deleting. It's distracted. Maybe it's be Sometimes someone's ano, 100 a month. Were you married? I'm not married. When the past relationship, my past, I'm asking for marriage because I need to, ano, I want to be married, like, cause, but he don't like to marry me. And I mean, not, no chance, not possible to be married. I don't understand. It happened. Turkey local foods. Wait. Kebab. Ah, kebab. I know. Kebab. Have kebab here in Philippines. I see this in the mall, super mall. Kuro fast sagil la macon, Haiti, kokorek, coffee. Ah, okay. Just only I know kebab. Turkey local food. Ah, okay. Donny Porter, kids, sorry I have big hands. I'm on my mobile. Okay, it's okay. No problem. Donny Porter. I have one kid. She's 14 years old. Ah, okay, wow. Me, my kids, 8 years old. Was he a foreigner? No, Filipino. Filipino, my kids. Filipino. Same country. Thanks. Welcomes to you. Maybe I need to put my Donnie, are you a farmer? Are you a farmer, Donnie? Mustafa Kimal asking. Mustafa Kimal asking if you are a farmer. It's okay. Alright. Alright. Was he a farmer? Thank you for the thumbs up. Okay, guys. Salamat. A little bit cold na. Mustafa, I'm an electrician. Okay. My sister, what's job? Me, my job then is here in our barangay. My job. That's beautiful, Donnie. I'm a student. You're still a student, Mustafa. You need to study hard. You need to finish your study and stay single at your age. Stay single. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your life. Nating pinangarap ang lahat. High school. You're still in high school. Maybe grade 11 or 12. High school, no? Lalaro ng tao-tao. Nano? Makasiya ka. Siya yung nagulat. Diretso ang ngiti, umawit ng ngiti. High school, grade 11. Ah, okay. I'm 17 years old. Okay, Mustafa Kimal. Umawit ng ngiti sa... Donnie Porter. I subscribe to your channel to make sure you get a way for me to send you a gift like purchase PayPal. Ah, super chat. Oh my god, thank you, Donnie. Thank you so much. Super chat, PayPal. I have no PayPal. No PayPal. Ah, I need to learn English. But maybe in another another way to send the gift. Bossy está feliz ay. Oh, sayang. No super chat. Another way to send the gift. I have no PayPal. Oh my god. PayPal. Fella serio. Sim. What do you mean sim? I love Donnie's humanity. Wow. Yes, ano? His song. Is generous. The generous one. Sana all. You look, this is I want to finish my home. But it's not still finished. That's need to save money. Need to save the money. To finish. Still not finished, look. The candidates of the election for vice governor. Have a sticker there. For mayor. For congressman. A board member. That's the door. Need to finish the house. My brother's motor. I'm very serious. Don't lie. I would leave to send you a gift. So please figure it out. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Donnie Porter. Ay, sana all. Sana all, Donnie. Figure it out. Good motor. 100cc. Benigno, but good motor. What it means, 100cc? My brother's motorbike. Hi, Idol from the Philippines. Mabuhay. Hi, Sans Memory Vlog. Thank you so much. Benigno, Basilio Ortigas. Hi, Benigno. Basilio Ortiga. Hi po. Horsepower. Ah, okay, horsepower. Bossy. Thank you, Sans Memory Vlog for salamat sa pagpunta sa aking live. Salamat. PayPal is very easy for me to send you something if you can download it. Okay, I will try. I will try to download it. PayPal. PayPal. How much? I know. Sana no. Maybe oh my god, I can't believe someone said me again. Someone offer like that. First, ano, I'm surprised someone sending a gift. It's really surprising me. Oh my god. Thank you, Donnie. I have to go to work. It's AM here. I will get notification when you are on live, and I hope you get that done. That. Have a good evening. Have a good evening. Bye bye. Bye. Have a good evening. God bless. Take care. What is your fate, sister? What is your fate? Thank you, Donnie. Take care. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for visiting my live stream. Thank you. You sorry combos. I would do it right now if I had a way. You have a beautiful smile. Sana all. Sana all. Thank you, Donnie Porter. Thank you so much. Donnie Porter, you are American, right? You are American. Thank you so much, Donnie. Maybe Harley, hello, beautiful princess. Hi, Harley. I will flex it. Donnie. Harley, hello. Thank you, Harley. Where are you from, Harley? So peace at sa bawat minuto. It is snowing. Wow, the snow. I want to feel the snow. Never experienced snow. Hello, Arizona. Hi. Hi, Harley. Wow, from Arizona. Are you from Arizona, Harley? Thumbs up dan maganda, Cheryl. Salamat, Greg. Nako, tagal ni Greg. Thank you, Greg. How are you, Greg? You're late, Greg. Yes. Wow. Thank you, Harley from Arizona. Thank you so much for visiting my live. Thank you so much. Jose Costa di Ser Muerto Carimbosa. What it means, Jose? Jose Costa, what it means? I don't understand. Can you translate it in English, please? I want to know. I have a pimples. My pimples. How are you doing tonight? I just left the gym. Okay. I'm doing live again. Sim. What Sim? I don't know the Sim. What it means. What do you mean? Still beautiful. Thank you, Harley. Mustafa Kimal, I'm sorry, but I need to get out. Can we meet again? Yes, can we meet again? I'm always go live here on YouTube. Of course, we can meet again. Can we meet? Can possibly meet again? Subscribe my channel, Mustafa, and update my live. Thank you, Greg Davis. Please comment, like, and subscribe to Cheryl's channel. Thank you, Greg. Salamat, Greg. Thank you, Greg, for supporting me always. God bless. How are you? Good morning there, Greg. At sa bawat minuto. Sayang. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss your... Thank you, Greg. Subscribe and I like it. Thank you, Greg. Oh, Bornok! Hi, Te, I'm back. Oh, kumusta, Bornok? My God, siguro nakabuntis ka na, Bornok, no? May jowa na. Iba na pag may jowa, Bornok, no? Naalala kita. Kumusta na kayo ng jowa mo? Hi, Greg. Greg, Bornok coming back. Still alive. Goodbye, sister. Bye, sister. Ay, bye, sister. Bye, Mustafa Kemal. Thank you so much, Mustafa. Hindi Bornok. Hindi daw. Welcome back, Bornok, from Greg. Thank you. Thank you, Mustafa Kemal. Thank you for, visiting my live stream. God bless. Take care. Welcome back, Bornok. Okay lang mag-asawa na ako. Sige, mag-asawa ka na. Magparami ka. Ganyan. Surgeon Kent Makiling. Good evening po. Good evening din po. Good evening, Surgeon Kent Makiling. Kumusta? Jose Costa, ang Bossy Costa Maes de Paser. Corinne Ho. O recibe. Ano yun? What it means? Sergeant Kent Makiling. Ligo ka. Karoon. Ano yun? Bornok, may bago na akong car. Ay, sana all may bago ng car. Greg, Bornok said, he have a new car. Sana all. Sana all, Bornok. I'm very happy to be here. Thank you. Will you pray for me? Yes, I will pray for you, Mustafa Kemal. Always take care. God bless. Sergeant Kent. Taga saan ka, Sergeant Kent Makiling? Taga saan ka po? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Bornok, I have 3 cars now. Wag mo ako pinagluloko, Bornok. Congratulations, Bornok. Mustafa Kemal. Goodbye. Bye, Mustafa. God bless. Take care always. Thanks, Greg. Bye, Bornok. Ako, Bornok. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Surgeon, taga-asa ka, dapat lugar niyo. Ikaw, taga saan ka? Surgeon Ken. Taga Bicol ako. Bicolana po ako. Joke. Dalawa lang. Anong car mo? Anong bagong car mo, Bornok? Anong brand? Mindanao, Lanao, del Norte. Okay. Taga Mindanao ka pala, Surgeon Ken. Kumusta sa Mindanao? Kumusta kayo dyan? Thanks everyone for supporting Cheryl channel. You are much appreciated. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Greg, so much. Bornok, isa BMW at GTR Nissan. Sana Bornok. Natatawa ko sa'yo, Bornok. I am bad. Nagka-jowa lang, nagkaroon na ng sasakyan agad-agad ah. Ang pangyari sa magical. May magic ano ah. Oh. At sa bawat minuto, gusto ko na sumuko. Binigay ko ng lahat, pero sinayang. Bakit isa sa jowa ko at sa akin isa? Sana all, no? Ingat lagi, Burnok. How was your day today? I missed the walk to the rice field. Not yet going outside. But maybe another day I'm going to the rice field. You know. Thanks, by the way. By Burnout. Maybe next time, maybe in another day, I will walk at the rice field. Sorry. I miss my work today. Okay. You need to work now. You miss my work today. I miss my work today. Today, you need to work now. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Where are you at? I'm in front of our home. Outside our home. Our home is my back, at my back. I'm at America. Ayos ka, Borno ka. Nay, nako, Bornokens. I will see you later, maganda Cheryl. Take care. Bye-bye, Greg. Thank you so much, Greg, for visiting my life. Take care. Bye. Oh. Totoo nga. Okay, kung totoo man yan, it's good to you. Enjoy your life. Bye, everyone. Bye, Greg. Bye, Greg. Take care. Ingat. Ingat sila sa'yo at ingat ka rin sa kanila. Bye-bye. Bye, I'm going to go to the gym. Bye, Burnok. Pagbutihin mo, Burnok. Kaya mo yan. Go, go lang. At sa bawat minuto, gusto ko na sumuko. Bye, I'm going to the gym. Sana all, no? Thank you for the 8 thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. I need to buy something. Wait lang. Are you married? Hardly, I'm not married. I'm not married. No chance to be married. But I want to be married. But no one to marry me. Ah, sigh. What a sad. No one to marry me. Anyone, anyone can marry me. Hiring. Before it's too late. Benigno Basila Ortiga. Hi. Hi, Benigno. Kumusta ka, Benigno? Oh, hi. Harley, are you married? How old are you, Harley? You are a lady or a man? Your name is for a lady, for a, ano, Harley, beautiful name, Harley. So maybe you are a woman. Ako? No, not married. Why? Why not married? How old are you, Harley? Still young? Still young, Harley? At sa bawat minuto, you falling into my rediscovery. Huh? Mustafa Kamil, why? What happened? You falling into my rediscovery. Why? Why Mustafa? Harley, I wish I was still young. How old are you, Harley? If you not still young, we need to ano, we need to enjoy our life. Mustafa Kemal coming. Huh? Mustafa Kemal coming? But you are Mustafa Kemal. Why? How old are you, Harley? Why you see, I wish I was still young. How old is too old? It's too old? Hey, I'm 40 years old. I'm old. But it's okay. I feel I'm still young. I'm back. Ah, okay, you're back, Mustafa. Hi. Thank you for coming back again. My live stream. Thank you so much. Coming back to you now. Hi. You're not 40 years old. I'm serious. I'm 40 years old. Yes, I'm 40. Maybe because I'm thin, I'm small, not not ano, not hindi halata. Ano yun sa English? Not obvious. Not obvious. You are so beautiful. Thank you, Harley. How old are you, Harley? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. You're older than me or you're younger than me? How, how di Carabao di Cuchillo de... Remember the day. Older than you. Older than me, maybe you are 40 plus, 50 plus, like that. 60 plus. What? What? But it's okay. How old are you? It's okay. 60 plus. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, Donnie. Ayan na, Harley. Marcos wrote, hello, Marcos wrote. It's okay, Harley. But you are married? You are in a relationship, Harley? See, Harley. So? No? No married? Not yet married? Hi, Marcos Root. Where are you from, Marcos Root? Why are you not still married? Are you single, Harley? America. You? Hi, Marcos Root. You're from America. I'm from Philippines. Filipina. Jose Costa, ambos Dicia Sir Grande Amor dis Wabida. What it means, Jose? Nice. How old are you, Marcos Ruth? Hi, Harley. If you are single, I have a friend and she wants someone serious relationship. She's a kind woman. She's kind, she's beautiful, hardworking. Yeah, I'm single. I'm 38 years old. Ah, wow. Nice to meet you, Marcos Ruth. I'm 40 years old. 40. Not yet married. Ay, ba't tinatanong dito yung mga married? Cute. Cute. Ano? Harley. I have a friend and she's single. Who's your friend? My batchmate on high school. My friend since high school. She's single and she's nice. She's she want find someone serious relationship, but that's it's really difficult to find someone nowadays. Thought you was younger than me, lol. Now you realize you're younger than me, Marcos. I'm older than you. I'm 40 years old na already. I'm look like cute. Oh my god. Thank you for the 7 likes, everyone. Who for me? No, no, not you. For Harley. For Harley. But for you, Marcos, I'm older than you. Marcos, I'm older than you. And you're younger than me. My friend, Harley, my friend on my high school friend, and high school batchmates. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Accept what. So bring your friend tomorrow. She have a work. My friend she's have a work and busy at a day, available at night. But sometimes we bond each other if have a time like day off, free time after work. Tomorrow maybe be busy tomorrow. Maybe I don't have chance to go outside. We meet at the place of meeting place when our friends uh, meeting each other, like where place we meet. She's nice woman. She's hard worker, single mother. But if you like, but if not, it's okay. I wanted to find my friend. But of course, I need a better one. That's okay. I'm a single dad. Really, Marcos? You're a single dad. How many kids do you have, Marcos? Sepawat minuto. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Oh, chikang chilan. Ah, yes, I have custody of my son. I have two kids. Oh wow, that's good. You have two kids. Daughter just turned 18. Wow, she's, she's a lady. Sana all. And daughter just, oh, sana all. Wow, that's great. I wish it's crazy. I will be here tomorrow, same time. Okay, same time. I go live at the same time. But maybe we not yet. Yeah, my friend, we not met at this moment because we have a different doing. We have different jobs here in Bicol, Philippines. So we meet our friends in when if we have a free times, uh, day off like that. Weekends, possible the weekends. Okay, see you then. Okay, thank you, Harley. Do you have kids? Yeah. Marcus wrote, I have kids. I have one kid's son. I have one son. He's 8 years old. It's late, no? Oh my god, I'm 40 years old and my son is 8 years old. Late. Super late. Okay, Harley, see you then. Hope if I make go live with my friends. Hope you join. You will you will see her. My son's 11. Ah, okay. Marcos. Nice to meet you, Marcos. Jose Costa. Vositum vontade de mora aqui no Brazil. What it means? Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you, Marcos. Bakit kailan ng puso ay saktan bago maintindihan? Wait lang. Just wait, I need buy some foods. Can you wait for me in a few minutes? Like, thank you so much, guys. Wait for me. Don't go away. Just stay tuned. Thank you. No. The star is already closed na. Eumora and Jaguaria iba. Paranya. Paranya. What it means? Masikosta. What it means your language? How old are you ba? Hindi ko naintindihan. Jose. Wait, malamig. Oh man, thank you. I don't understand. What do you mean? What do you mean? How to talk soon? You're pretty. Thank you, cause hope to talk soon. You're pretty. Thank you, Marcos. Ruth. Thank you. It's a little bit cold now here. Right. A little bit of Monica in my life. Thank you. Thank you for the 5 million in the house. Salamat. Salamat po. Sana all, no? I found the love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Kasi costa 8 of you akita molto. Ha? Hindi ko talaga naintindihan. I don't understand what are you saying, Jose Costa. What do you mean? What do you mean, Jose? What do you mean? Speaking another language. Speaking another language, yes. I don't understand it. Talaga. What is your job, Marcos Ruth? What is your work? Aray, parang may darating na problema. Problema. Bawat minuto, gusto ko na sumiko. Jose Costa, on live si Asumukil. Philip Privacy. Ano yan? No? Say? Kay, saan ka na mauli? Ihatag mo na. Ha? Ha? What do you mean? Eu quero fazer use muito feliz por completo. What it means? what it means, Jose Costa. What do you mean? I'm gonna take a nap. Have a good day. Okay. Have a good day, Marcos. Thank you for joining my live stream here on YouTube. Thank you so much. Hope to talk and future. Okay. Just subscribe my channel for update new live again. Hi Ryan, very pretty. How old are you? I'm 40 years old, Ryan. I did. Thank you, Marcos. I'm 40 years old. I'm always saying I'm 40. I'm 40 years old. Jose Costa. Is a key vizinho of Ifilis por Capito ay 40 you, my new wife. Grabe naman yan. Where are you from, Ryan? How old are you, Ryan? Very pretty. Sim, Jose Costa Sim, Australia. Oh, from Australia, 37 years old. Oh, are you married? Maybe, Ryan. Do you have a kids? I know. Maybe do you have a kids, Ryan? Nano ka?
Alas 12. Oo, alas 12. Before, alas 12 tulog sila.
Alas 12 naga?
Oo, alas 12. Aga na alas 12.
And Udto?
Oo.
God, no. No. I is single. 3 kids need new. You have a chick. Are you married? Are you married, Ryan? No, not yet. I'm waiting for you. Weh. Charot. Grabe naman. How many ex do you have, Brian? Jose Costa, ang Bossy Asiete, Sir Feliz, Juntos Conmigo. Conmigo. Juntos Conmigo, what it means? Jose Costa, can you please? Can you? Only one. Only one. I'm good boy. Oh, wow. Talaga. I don't believe you have only one. You're a good boy. Pasar mo to Carindo Gustoso. What do you mean? What it means? What it means, Jose Costa? I don't understand. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do do you mean? Elsa. Ele passar você mata a sua vontade na boca dele, sim ou não? Noble Sprout, hello. Thank you for the thumbs up, Naina. Future wife, Ryan. Busi City Falta di ka rin asim, musikorta, kosta, hindi ko naintindihan. I don't understand talaga. Invisible, ako ni si Sadgat. Kanang Nuba Sprout. Talaga. Ang dami mong ang dami mong account. Sana all Sadgat. Ikaw pala yung si New Sprout. Sadgat. Ngayon may invisible naman. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you, Sadgat. Ang dami mong account, no? Thank you. Salamat. Hi, Ryan. Robbie, Madam, kamukha mo si Sas. Sinong Sas? Pizza, nice. Ryan, how I send my future wife some money to so she can go home and get her beauty sleep. Ryan. Ryan, ha? Sana all Ryan, no? Sana all yung mga nanliligaw ganito. How I send? You can send me, wait, through Gcash. I have Gcash. Do you have a Gcash, Ryan? Or online? You can send me online. Bank, like bank, like that. YouTube stand to move to DVC. send me a gift as long as you go home and rest. Talaga? Really? Sana all. Sana all talaga. How though? I don't know. Maybe maybe iyorta uma oportunidade. Ryan, maybe it's online transaction. Maybe something. MoneyGram. What's the possible sending in another country? WhatsApp. WhatsApp, yeah, I have WhatsApp. I know WhatsApp. Telegram. Sas rugando sa niya, madam. Ano yan? Hindi ko siya Sas rugando. Sas rugando. Okay. Hindi ko siya kilala. Try mo search. Okay po. Try ko po i-search. Sas rugando sasop. Taga saan yung Pilipina? Pilipino po. Anong channel siya? Channel 2, kapamilya, kapatid, kadugo, kapatid, kapuso. Try mo search. Kamo talaga yun. Talaga? Talaga? Kamukha ko talaga. Wait lang. Kunin ko yung isang phone para i-search ko agad. Wait lang. Hindi ko makita yung phone. On Bosinao Vaisim Aripiri ni Mem Komisar. Huh? So, thank you for the 13. Thank you for the 13 likes. Thank you guys. Sino yung ano? Thank you. Salamat sa isang nanonood. Kung sino ka man, thank you so much. Aray ko. Salamat. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Ay, nawala na siya. Nasaan na kayo? Ba't nagsialisan kayo? Umalis na ako saglit eh. Bumalik kayo. Bumalik. Balik. 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 Saan na kaya? Verse. Can't find, hindi makita. Ginagamit kong, cellphone. Pero, at try ko, search mamaya. Thank you sa, sa nanonood. Thank you so much. Halika na. Sam Gutierrez. Hi! Welcome back. Ano nagawa? Ayan, nagla-live. Nagla-live ulit. Nandito ako sa harap ng bahay namin. Nagla-live. Iniano ko kasi para ma-reach ko na yung watch hour para ma-monetize na. Hello, beautiful. B17. B175 TV. Hello. Where are you from? Wow, Sam Gutierrez. Pwede. Ano yan? Alam mo ba yung sinasabi mo? Hindi yan allowed dito. Sorry. B117 TV, piliin mo yung pupuntahan mong channel or live sa mga ganyan. Hindi siya allowed dito sa channel ko. So, lalo na dito sa live ko kasi magkaiba tayo ng personality. You know. I'm yung content ko hindi para dyan. Nakita mo naman yung itsura ko, diba? Balot ko. At kung nakasuot mo na ako ng short, mainit yon. Hindi siya allowed sa akin. Manap ka ng live stream na pwede sa'yo. Kasi sa akin, hindi ka pwede sa akin. Hindi ka pwede to sa live ko, sa channel ko. Kasi, mga lalaking katulad mo, na yan ang ginagawa, na mga ganyan-ganyan, dapat may website, na para dyan. Hindi para dito yan. Mahigpit si YouTube. Hindi yan nag-ano ng mga ganyan-ganyan. So, parang yung bahay ko, nagpapapasok ako sa bahay ko sa mga maayos na. 'Di ba pag may bahay ka, nagpapapasok ka sa may magagawa ako. May karapatan ako. Tulad nito, i-block kita. At karapatan ko yun kasi channel ko to eh. Pwede kita i-report. Ayan. I-report ko sa iyo. Yes. Yan. Sorry kapag sorry kung inalis kita. B175 TV kasi hindi ako nagpapasok ng kumbaga sa tayo, mabait tayo. Kung kailangan natin maging friendly hanggat kinakailangan. Tapos tayo kapag magkikipagkaibigan din tayo. Siyempre, sa maayos din naman lalo na kahit na ba sabihin na stranger ka na nga tapos ganyan na agad yung approach mo sa akin. Saka hindi naman ako kalat ka rin. Hindi mo ako kilala. So, napakasimple ko lang, probinsya na nga ako Tapos tatratuhin mo ako ng ganyan. Tapos sasabihin mo lang ako magagawa. May magagawa ako. Hindi kita boss. At hindi mo ako pinakain. Wala kang nagawa para sa akin. Say hi, Sam Gutierrez. Sabihin mo wala akong magagawa. May magagawa ako. Cheryl, don't talk to them in your new papa. No. She's She's unrespectful. She said she's criticize. Sam. Ano sinasabi niya na Tapos, papasok lang siya bigla. Tapos, sasabihin niya yung words na yun. Naka-live ako Pwedeng alam mo yung ganon? Nakakagalit. Ka na Tapos sasabihin pa sa'yo, wala akong magagawa. May mga ganyan. Klase ano ba yung mga tao ngayon? May mga taong ganyan. Demanding. You're my new senyorita. You're my new senyorita. Yeah, I feel upset. No, a little bit upset. Stranger ka na nga Kumbaga, ang senyorita? Ang senyorita kasi parang boss-bossan Ay, para sa atin kasi yung senyorita parang senyorita, yung mom, parang mom, senyorita, ganyan. Parang respeto sa babae. Senyorita, mom, parang ganyan. Madam, very pretty senyorita. Pretty na. Pretty pa. Gagalit na nga. Pretty pa. Na. Hi Ryan, where are you from? Are you asking me, Ryan, if I were where I'm from? From Philippines. From Philippines. From Philippines. What do you mean? Stay out of it, Sam. Okay. Stop getting jealous. Huh? Getting jealous? Who's jealous? Who's getting jealous? Ah, yes. You know each other. You know each other, Ryan and Sam. She won't leave me alone. Sam, she won't leave you alone. She followed me on here. Wow. Sam followed you here on YouTube. She followed me. She won't leave me alone. She followed me on here. Okay. So, you know each other. Real nice girl, but, but, why but? Why you having but? Oh, what happened? Yeah, we all childhood friends. Ah, okay. Uh, Sam and you, childhood friends. Talaga? Really? Ryan? She could never understand the friends part though. Why? What? Jim Bell? Hi, Jim Bell. What? Wow. Sam is Filipina. You know Sam is Filipina. Do you know Ryan? Sam, she's a Filipina. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat for the 14 thumbs up. Hi, JM Vale. How are you? Could never understand. Thank you, thank you. Whereabouts in Philippines? Whereabouts in Philippines? Ah, okay. So, welcome here in the Philippines, Ryan. You have friends here in the Philippines. Sam is your friend. Welcome here. Where are you now, Sam? Here, nandito ka sa Pinas, Sam? Pinas, Sam. Malamig. Come here, marry the love of my life. Huh? You talk Sam, Ryan? Love of my life. Me and Perth, Australia. Me, I'm part of. I'm in Perth, Australia. Okay. Okay. So, where Sam now? Where is she now? She live in Australia, Ryan, or she live here in the Philippines? Jameville, you're so beautiful. Thank you, Jameville. Thank you so much. Where are you from, Jameville? Maganda ang damit mo. Salamat. Salamat, Sam. Thank you. Malamig. Malamig dito sa labas. Malamig. Thank you. Sas. Ryan. Bakit? I never been to your country. Okay. I mean, Sam. Ryan, I mean Sam. Sam, saan ka ngayon, Sam? But I work with lots of Filipinos, have friends who visit a lot, but I usually go to Indonesia a lot closer. Okay. Okay, Ryan. Ryan. Sir Ryan. Wow. Hindi makapaniwala si Sama. Sergeant Kemp. Hi. Sergeant Kemp Makiling. Ayan na naman ulit ang sasabihin mo. Kanina mo pa yung sinasabi, Sergeant. Wala ka bang sasabihin? Parang naka-copy paste. Ryan, but for you, I will travel further, my 40-year-old goddess. Bolero. Bolero ka, Ryan. Natutulog ka na yata. Hindi pa. Nantok ko lang. Saan ka ngayon, Sam? Gutierrez. Saan ka ngayon? Nandito ka ba sa Pilipinas o nasa ibang bansa? Magkaibigan ba talaga kayo ni Ryan? Curious lang ako. Magkaibigan kayo? Matulog muna, gabi na kasi. Pick a number 3, 12, or 2. You may win a prize. I pick 2. After 2, I pick 3. What's the prize? Ryan, I choose number 2. And after I choose number 3, what's the prize? Huh? 3, 12, 8. What's the prize, Ryan? If 2 wins, you get the prize. I choose number 2. So, I win the prize. What's the prize? I choose 2. First choice. My first choice is 2. Wow. $100 US! God! So, thank you, my prize. Thank you. Ah, salamat. How can I get it the prize? Thank you. Don't thank me. Wow, congrats. Thank you. How? Don't thank. Why? Why not thank you? You think the horse if it I it's a prank. Yeah. Sam, nag-congrats pa naman si Sam. You think the horse if it wins. Hi, sides. Sayang. Hi, Kreya. Kumusta ka, Kreya? Hi. I'm a man of my word. If it wins, you win. Really? I thought it's a prank. Hi, thank you. I'm your fan. Thank you, Kreya. Hi, this morning na. Umaga na, nagtilaok na. Thank you. Salamat. Nagpag-gimsa. At nanalo ako. Thank you. Thank you, Ryan. At nanalo siyempre ako. Happy Valley Race 8, number 2. Valley Race. Pataras. Umaga na. Umaga na nga eh. Joke. Happy Valley Race 8, number 2. Nesto Irving. Hello, beautiful. Hi. Nesto Irving. Nako. What, Sam? What are you doing here? Lagi kita suporta. Wow, sana all. Sana all supportive friends. Ay. Si Owo. Owo. All people are kind. Where about in Philo? You live big country. You live big country. Ryan, you're kind too. That's kind, Sam. Wow. That's a ano. So, hi, Sam. What time is there, Cheryl? What time is there na? 10:21 p.m. Lagi ikaw ay mabait. Wow. Sana all. Get out of town. Huh? Get out of town. We in the same time zone. Oh? We in the same time zone? You are here in the Philippines? Same time zone? Really? You live here in the Philippines, Ryan? What do you mean? No, same time where I live. No, same time where I live. Maybe it's the same time as morning there and evening here. Same time. That's why you said time zone. The time zone. Sometimes a little change can exist the same. No, 10:23 p.m. here. Same as you. Oh, okay. So you live here in the Philippines. Same time. Same time. 10:23 p.m. No, I live in Australia. It's just the same time. Ah, same time? Australia time check? Really? Oh, talaga. Same time? Really? Talaga? Hindi ko maintindihan. No, I live in Australia. It's just the same time. Talaga. Yeah, we live on the same latitude. Same latitude. Ay, nako. Same latitude talaga eh. I have a pimples. A little bit, pain. Take me